This video will provide an overview of the functions of the Publish tab. Formstack automatically saves and publishes all forms. You do not have to do anything special to make your forms live. What you will have to do is provide your users with a way to get to your form. You can use the URL to link to your form through your email or from your website. You can use the embed code to embed your form on your web page. Just click Copy next to whichever method you want to use. I'm first going to show you how to link to the form using your email. In Formstack, copy the URL. In your email, highlight the text that's going to be the link, click on the hyperlink icon, and paste in the URL. Click OK. When someone receives your email, they'll be able to click on the link, and the form will open for them to submit. I'm now going to show you how to use both the URL and embed HTML method on your Cascade web pages. If you don't use Cascade, you'll need to add links and embed code in the method used by your web tool. Using the URL is like linking to any other external address. In Formstack, copy the URL. In the edit view of your page, highlight the text that you want to link. Click on the hyperlink icon, choose External, and paste in the URL. In general, you always want to use same window even when using external URLs. Sometimes in forms, it might be easier to use the new window. If you have instructions built into your web page, it might be easier for a user to view the instructions on that page and then complete the form in a new window so that they can go back and forth between the pages. Click Insert, and then you would click Submit to save your form. We're going to go ahead and embed the form the other way before we do that step. So to embed a form in your HTML, in Formstack first, you're going to copy the embed code by clicking on the Copy button. And then in the edit view of your form, you're going to click on HTML to open up the HTML editor. I'm going to insert my cursor at the bottom and paste in the text, the code. You'll notice here that I have a paragraph that says, "Form is embedded in HTML with a no-show class applied." Click Insert. Here you can see that sentence, but you can't see the form. You won't ever see your form in Cascade. You'll only see it once you publish it to your site. You can see it in the view mode, but generally it's not worth waiting to see it pop up there. So in the edit mode, you will not see your form. So I put this little hint here so that anyone else coming to this page will know that there's a form that's embedded. By applying that no-show class, that means it won't be seen on my web page. So we have the link on the form page now, and we have our code embedded. I'm going to click Submit to save it. When using Formstack, you're typically going to get these broken link messages. You can ignore them. Generally, they time out, but when you're actually looking at it in the site, the links will work. So I'm going to click Submit, and I'm going to publish this page to the test environment. So I'm going to go to my page in Staging Test and refresh it. And so you can see here we have the example of the link. So if you have a form embedded with a link on your page, the user would just click on the link. It would open in the form for them to submit. And so since I'm in the same window, I'm going to click the back arrow to get back to my page. And this is an example of the embedded form. And so this way the user can complete the form right in my website.